I want to talk about the confusion because I actually had a meeting today with a health economist in the NHS, and I was asking her about this, the uncertainty, the confusion, and there's different kinds of automation. There's AI agents, there's agentic systems, and there's multi-agent systems. Before we go into what those are, why do people need to understand the differences between them? Why is that important? And then if you can explain a little bit about what those are. And Ghazenfer, do you want to take that?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, that's the core of it. And that's a very common question I get asked. Okay, is it automation? What is agent? Like everybody talk about it, but not everybody's really familiar with it. So in simple word, automation, it just follows rules. So you can do same thing every time. It works whenever the path is predictable. Now, AI agent can also follow the rules, but they understand the goal, they make decisions, and they take actions on your behalf. So instead of following a script, they are just based on the input the user are giving. Agentic can go even further. They can plan, they can reason, and they can break goals into steps. So they don't want you to tell what the next steps are. So they are more intelligent agents, I would say. And multi-agents are really, it's more about combining these agents into working together. There are times where you may not want to create one big agent, so you may want to break down into many different agents and then create a whole flow of that. It's just like any other, like you creating in a traditional development as well, like you create different components and then route them or do different things based off of that.